Israel's Agriculture Research Center, the Volcani Institute, recently found that 18 cocoa seedlings had survived the drought-like conditions in Israel. The finding comes as bad weather and disease have hurt cocoa production and sent global prices soaring. Researchers believe that this more resilient strain of cocoa could help alleviate the global shortage of the beans.
Israeli researchers say they may have identified a strain of cocoa that could increase the plant's growing region. The finding comes as bad weather and disease have hurt cocoa production and sent global prices soaring. Israel's Volcani Institute had sent 140 seedlings to a facility in southern Israel to study how the tropical plant could grow in dry conditions. Days later, the October 7th assault by Hamas militants left their facility shut down for months, without electricity or irrigation. Researcher Tali Alani says they were surprised to find 18 seedlings alive when they returned in January.
The exciting thing about it is that cacao that is considered to be plant that growing in a rainforest, in places that it needs a lot of water. We see, okay, that there are some, not all of the ecotypes, but there is one ecotype that can survive with much less water, hardly no water at all.
The team had not planned on testing the selected cocoa strain specifically for drought resistance. Here's the Volcani Institute's senior principal scientist, Ellen Graber.
It's a very unusual result to find a strain that can withstand 3.5 months of a drought as new fresh seedlings and also a severe cold front. It means that we may be able to develop strains that can expand the growing regions for cocoa.
The Volcani Institute has developed resilient plant strains in the past, including drought-resistant wheat and a chill-resistant basil that yields all year round. Graber says she plans to clone the surviving cocoa plants and test them in the hopes of identifying the genes responsible for their resilience.